Welcome to our channel. Today we sketch and color a pumpkin. Take out your black marker. Draw a curved horizontal line. And then a big curved pumpkin shape. Draw the second one. Draw the third one. The stem of the pumpkin. The last part of the pumpkin. Chimneys and smoke. Geese. The fence in front of the house. Grass. Now to draw a door. And a round window. Now the simple pattern is complete. Let's get started with the roughness. The stroke is complete. Let's get to the color. Bright yellow. Flesh color. Red. Deep purple. Bright yellow. Pink purple.